Yo, guys, welcome to this video. This is a very, very powerful video. This video, it can make you thousands per day with this method that I'm going to teach with you. Stick with me until the end. I'm going to explain everything in this video. Let me refresh the screen real quick. Boom! As you guys can see, that is $52,000 right there just in the month so far. 14 days into the month. Boom, 14 days. And it's crazy, and that's all passive income, all free traffic. I mean, how I'm doing this, I share inside the sweepstake program specifically just for this method, specifically just on Maxbounty. But I have tons of methods I can share with you guys, and I share for free how to do a ton of stuff. And this method alone, I'm going to teach for free how to freaking do this. Okay, it's crazy. This method is for how you can promote any Maxbounty offer. This was requested by one of the subscribers here, one of the learning machines. And this is crazy, okay? You guys could promote Norton antivirus. You could promote sweepstakes as well. You could promote any one of these offers. I promote all these ones right here and way more. They're not even showing here. You could promote the new campaigns that just got launched that no one else is promoting. Like, you can hop on those, you know? And the thing is, you got to know how to search for offers, how to find good offers. I talk about this quite a bit. But if you go over to search, you can literally just pick any category, any country. I always run with the United States no matter what. But in general, you can sort by EPC across the whole entire network, and you can look for opportunities there. Sometimes the highest payout stuff won't even convert, and sometimes the highest payout stuff will be your best bet, okay? Especially with paid ads. Now, the thing about paid ads, guys, which we will go over in this freaking video, is with paid ads, all you got to do is make the math work out, okay? So let's say you spend $100 on ads. If you're getting $100 back or more easily per lead with this niche right here, spiritual niche, consultants and stuff like this, all you gotta do is send leads. Okay, you can easily do that, and I'll explain different stuff here. Let's just talk about this whole strategy for one offer we pick. We're gonna pick one offer right now. I'm looking at this one right here, and right off the bat, I think we should talk about that one. Okay, we could talk about crypto. We could talk about anything. This is just for Canada alone. I want to see one just for United States, really. Youthful Brain, that one's good. Kind of good. I mean, at the end of it, let's look. $68 per lead. A bunch of health offers we could promote. Let's see this one. Okay. McAfee antivirus. That one right there. Okay, let's just say we do a Keto Advanced, this one right here. So on average, we're earning $4.30 per click on average, okay? And then you just need to send leads, basically sales, actually. That's kind of how it works out, okay? So if we click on it, you'll see everything's allowed, okay? You can get 25 actions per day, all device types allowed, and you can actually increase this over time. You got to get approval to run this. Easily approved, guys. If you make money on Maxbounty, you can easily get approved for anything super fast, okay? Even if you've made probably $100, I'm sure you could get approved on any offer you want, okay? I could get approved on any offer I want, but this offer right here, I wouldn't personally promote just because I don't have a ton of time. But for you guys, this can work for sure. And any offer. So what we're about to talk about will work for anything out there. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so if you want to do this, you can go to Google AdWords, okay? I don't want to have to blur out a ton of stuff, so I've not logged into my AdWords. But AdWords is one of the least strict advertising platforms with the highest quality in the entire world. This is the go-to place. I use this more than Facebook. I used to use Facebook more than this one, but Facebook got too strict, and I was like, screw it, okay? And I use Google for like tripwire campaigns, opt-in funnels, and some affiliate marketing offers, okay? Understand that when you do paid ads, if you get 100% profit margin, where you take 100% profits for your own offers, like I will make my own offers for any niche, okay, with PLR products and stuff like this, which I have down below. You can look at everything I offer to you guys down below. And I run YouTube in-stream ads, and the secret to how you do that is insane. Took me a long time to figure out. I share with mainly mentorship students. I will share about how to really crush it with YouTube ads. But yeah, this is a great platform to leverage, guys. I'll talk about that in a little bit more. Bing advertising, how you do Bing advertising is mainly you're going to advertise with search, but there's almost no competition for any other area using Bing and Microsoft placements. No one else does them, okay? Mainly people are using it for search ads. And there's a lot of volume, but not as much as freaking Google ads, okay, for search and everything else. But Bing is a good option out there you can use okay, to get a lot of freaking traffic, okay? So there's that one. This one right here is Snapchat, very quality interruption marketing platform. I mean, you can target any age is on this platform, and you can literally get in front of them, target hyper targetedly, and you can also get a lookalike audience built out too, guys, okay, to promote this. I'll explain how to promote this offer in a minute. I just want to lay out all of everything here, okay? Now, Pinterest ads is a very overlooked platform I want to mention here, and we're totally passing up Facebook for this whole video. We're just like, we don't want people to deal with Facebook. Facebook will give you a lot of anger issues. I've seen it, okay, firsthand. People getting angry at Facebook because, Facebook's very strict and annoying, man. Pinterest is like not strict really at all, and you can basically promote a pin with your link in it and all this stuff and make it an ad. It can start getting repinned if it's good, and it can start proliferating across the whole platform. It's crazy, okay? So it's a really, really good way to advertise. You can split test your ads, get your best performer out there. You can crush it with CPA marketing doing just that, guys, okay? So this offer pays out $120. So let's say we are advertising on AdWords, and we're like, we want to do search-based ads. So let's say we run literally for the keto niche, okay, we run ads on Google search, okay? And the way we are able to get around it for an offer that doesn't allow like searchable, it does allow search though, which is nice. So you can literally rank for advanced keto 1,500, okay? But on the front end, I will talk about your funnel. You basically want to hide your affiliate links on all these platforms. Most platforms that are social platforms and not like adult platforms or anything like that, they don't really like affiliate marketing. They do like it, but not like crazy where they want you to direct link, and they don't want you to do really bridge pages. But they do allow it if it's in your back end, obviously, in your email marketing or after the opt-in form. Okay, so here's the funnel real quick. So you're doing any of these platforms. You can even do TikTok. TikTok is a very powerful platform, okay? It's new. And anytime a platform is new, you can take advantage of it big time. The only thing is it's not self-serve as much, okay? It will be eventually. You basically are going to send traffic to an opt-in page where in exchange for people's emails, you give free something. You're going to give like a free ebook plus a bunch of videos you find on YouTube you can give for free too. And you can give a free PLR, private label rights course, okay, about keto. And you'll find these PLR products. You can go Google it. The one I use is called ID PLR. You can get it down, link is in the description. And basically you collect these emails and then they go to your funnel right here, instantly redirected to a sales page where you say, okay, you're getting your free stuff. It's getting sent to your email. Then they get sent here. And now you want to basically have a video that sells to them saying, hey, this offer's the best thing ever. This solved all my pains, all my problems. Keto is the way to go. This product is what you need, okay? And you can even add bonuses to them. You want to target just Canada alone. And then, you just promote it. You add bonuses. You tell them how they're going to get their bonuses after they purchase. Then they just got to email you proof of purchase. Then you send them all these special bonuses that you have for them, okay? Inside of this free stuff that you give them, you're going to also link to a bunch of keto offers. You can find them over on ClickBank. You can find them I've done keto funnels for a long time now. I've had some of my first successes I remember were from keto in the health niche, okay? It's a big niche and it's still working today. You can absolutely demolish with this niche, especially with tripwire funnels, but opt-in funnels, very powerful as well. Just for affiliate marketing, you don't need to make any products of your own. You can just literally link to offers for free, okay? And then affiliate offers, and people just convert all day. And the more offers you have, the better. And you're building up an email list. So on average, per email you're getting, guys, per month, you can earn like $1, $3, somewhere around there, okay? And it depends on the niche. It could be all the way. I've heard of email lists, okay, I've seen this, where they make like $100 per email per month on their list. And that's like in big financial and even stock market type email lists, okay? Those type of lists. And they're selling the highest ticket stuff ever, okay? So it gets pretty crazy. But for this, the math works out great. You're getting leads for super duper cheap from multiple sources. Why not just double down on one at first and then maintain it and keep going? And then after that, just get your email list going. And you're getting sales of this and breaking even or profiting right here. Okay, you just want to up the conversion right here by having a great video sales letter, having a no-brainer offer, making people really desire it, having urgency and scarcity involved. at least a sense of urgency and scarcity for them to take action. You get conversions here, then in the back end you have a bunch of offers, and you got an email list that never ends. Okay. So with Google ads, you definitely want to do YouTube ads. Okay. You could do Gmail ads and target people interested in keto. Gmail ads, I'm serious. When people are in their Gmail, they can see your ad. You can do a ton of different stuff, display ads, all this stuff. This here, you could do search-based ads or any other placements you want to do with Bing ads and get traffic there. This one right here, you can literally target anyone interested in keto. It's basically like Facebook ads and not as strict, like at all. Okay, so it's really powerful. And then you can literally target people interested in health and keto just with Pinterest ads and put an ad out there. And, multiple traffic sources add up, and you can build a business overnight, guys, where basically you have a budget, you start running ads, you start building a list, let's say you're even a little bit not profitable, you're a little bit at break even almost. You're literally building a business basically for free at that point, and you're going to get more sales from all the offers over here. And then after you've spent enough money where you're ready to make more, and you need more maybe, then you just literally do a big email blast to your list of a new offer about keto. You could do an info product, or you could find it on another affiliate offer, okay? And you sell it to them, and you get a lot of conversions, okay? And that's how business should be done. That's how affiliate marketing should be done. This method's super powerful. And once again, it can work for any flipping offer here, anything on Maxbounty, okay? Any CPA network, any affiliate marketing, okay? I know you love this video, so smash that like button. Thank you for being with me throughout this video, guys. And by the way, Learning Machines, get ready for the end of this month. I have a method that's insane at the end of this month. So stay tuned for that from the 1st to the 3rd. At the end of this month, it'll be available, and then it is gone forever. I will never, ever sell it again. This method is insane, and it's making a lot of money. It'll make you a lot of money. Stay tuned for it. It's going to be such a no-brainer, and I will see you guys later, Learning Machines. Peace out.